This is gonna be a good one. Overconsumption therapy is something that I came up with about a week or two ago, maybe a month ago. It's something that I notice allows myself to manifest at the desired rate at which I choose to manifest at. So, I'm gonna kind of go into this video a little bit more smooth, if you will. And I'm not gonna overcomplicate it because this is something that can really help you. Let's get into it, babe. I don't even know if this is a thing or not. This is something I literally told myself, oh yeah, this is what it is. Like, I was trying to put a word on what I was actively doing within my subconscious mind. I was consciously thinking about things and allowing, like, what I was doing within my conscious mind allowed my subconscious to kind of link together, and it allowed my manifestations to unfold at the time that I kind of wanted it to unfold. Obviously, I'm not going to rush it too much, but like sometimes when you know something needs to happen tomorrow and it doesn't, it's like, ugh. So I named this overconsumption therapy because that's really what it is. This is an example, right? Let's say I want a car. I want a specific car that is for me. I want a specific car, specific model, maybe not specific color because I might change the color. I might wrap it, paint it, but I want a car. I want this car within a year. A year goes by and I don't have the car. Okay. I start to overthink. I start to rethink about what I was thinking earlier, and then I start to shut down, right? Overconsumption therapy is allowing yourself, before your manifestation doesn't come, allowing yourself to overthink, rethink, and shut down on your manifestation. I'm going to get into it deeply. Let's talk about the overthinking part. So overthinking, right? When you're overthinking about things that you want, there is a fine line between overthinking it and pushing it away and overthinking it and letting it come to you. When you overthink it though, you're naturally more so going to push it away from you. Why I'm telling you to do this is because when you're overthinking, you're allowing things to replay in your conscious mind, and your subconscious mind is going to start to grab onto that and like pick up what you're rethinking about, right? So let's say you're rethinking about this car that you want. You're just thinking about it. You're not thinking about it in a negative way though. That's the key part, right? You're not thinking about it in a negative way. You're just thinking about having it. You're just thinking about it in general. The car, like in this example, I'm just thinking about my car. Or you're thinking about your manifestation. Not in a negative way. You're just thinking about it a lot, right? When you overthink, it allows you to replay. It allows for repetition in your mind, which is good for your subconscious mind because your subconscious mind needs repetition. Your conscious mind, not so much. It can pick it up and absorb it. Your conscious mind, not so much. It can pick it up and absorb it, but your subconscious mind needs that repetition for it to settle. Boom, you overthink. Now you're rethinking about what you overthinked. Same concept. Just rethinking really sets the foundation, really plants that seed in the soil, making sure it's in your mind and it's not going anywhere. You're not changing your mind. You're not switching up on this manifestation. You know you want it. That's what it is. So the rethinking part is just reassurance for that thing that you want to manifest. And the shutting down part is when you've rethinked it, you've overthink it, and it's still not here. You start to get frustrated, pissed off, and a bit upset. You get perturbed that it's not here yet, right? And so you shut down. You're like, you know what? I want this thing, but at this point, forget it. At this point, it, right? If it's not here, I don't care at this point. I'm just so over thinking about it. I'm so over rethinking about it. I'm just so over it. It's been in my mind for too long. I'm just going to let it go. You shutting down is you naturally allowing yourself to let that manifestation go. Now that you've let it go, it's going to come. But for me to sit here and tell you, oh yeah, if you want to manifest something, you need to let go. For me to tell your conscious mind to let go, it's going to be hard. You're going to think about trying to let it go, but now you're thinking too much about trying to let it go, and you're not going to let it go. If you do the opposite, right, and you don't let it go, and you hold on to it, and you rethink about it, and you rethink about it, right, you're going to get to a point, it can happen within a month, 2 months, if you're really impatient, a week even, and you're going to get to a point where you care about it, but you just don't care anymore to hold on to it. You don't care anymore to let this thing run your mind. You're so over it. It's in your subconscious mind already. You've already reprogrammed your mind and it's still not here. Forget it. You're so fed up. But you shutting down is you naturally letting go versus unauthentically letting it go, artificially letting it go. You know, you've been told let it go and you're just trying to let it go versus not letting it go, doing too much and then getting fed up and then naturally letting it go. That will naturally allow you to manifest. That's the reason why I said if you're super impatient, it could take a week, because if you're super impatient and you get fed up easily, do this. You're gonna get so like fed up that you let it go naturally and you forget about it. And that's the key thing. The key thing is to forget about what you want or let it go. But when I sit here and when someone sits here and tells you to let something go, it's gonna be forced and fake, and it's gonna push it away farther because you're not really letting go. You're trying to let go, but you can't. You know, versus me telling you, oh yeah, I want you to think about it. I want you to overdo it. And then you're going to naturally let go, because you're going to overdo it. It's still not going to be here. And then you're going to let go. Yeah. Overconsumption therapy is how I manifest certain things in my life. I overdo it. I get fed up. I let it go. And it's here because I let go. But I had to naturally want to let go. And for me to naturally want to let go, I had to overdo it. Try it out. Golden nugget in your life to what? To enhance your moral code. Y'all, I'm having too much fun with this channel. I love y'all. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shanique. Welcome. I'm not really good with intros and outros. I do what the fuck I want. Love you, though. And if you've been to my channel before, nothing new, right? We're here.